Rohan will say, silence please. I had gone to Agra. Rohan will say, I had gone to Agra. Whenever in your exam beta narration will come, what you have to see? First of all, you have to observe this thing. Is it present, future or past? Now speak up loudly. Is it present, future or past? What is it? So according to rule, if future is outside, then you have to change only pronouns. Okay? So your answer will be no. I change according to the speaker. Manik, what are you doing? Disturb mat karo class ko, ye lo. Now silence please. Rohan will say and never change this thing beta. If it is future, keep it future. Rohan will say that he had gone to Agra. Same. Number 2. He said to me, I do not like this book. Do is the first form. I do not like this book. He said to me, I do not like this book. Give me answer, but slowly I have to ask online students. Slow, slow. Okay, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Anmol. So, beta, there was some connection issue. You can just note down the second sentence. You can note down the second sentence. He said to me, I do not like this book. He told me that he did not. Do is the first form, it will change to second form. He did not like that book. Yes, this to that. Number 3. My father said to me, you are not doing anything. You are not doing anything. My father said to me, you are not doing anything. Now said is written outside. Bhavya, please tell me the answer. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. My father told me that I was not doing anything.
Yes. So beta, whenever you see this word you is always the listener. Who is listener here? कौन सुन रहा है अपने father की बात? Me. So it will change according to me. I. Okay? I is a man, was were. I was not doing anything. My father told me that I was, please note down the answer. I was not doing anything. Full stop. Number 4. Next is Rian said to me.
Your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Rian said to me, I will meet you tomorrow. Rian said to me, I will meet you tomorrow. Is this the way? ये क्या way है बेटा? You can simply raise your hand. Manik, you can raise your hand. Now you can tell me answer. Yes. With will, shall, would, could always use first form. Prerna. Yes, Prerna, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Rian told me that he would meet me the last day.
Beta, tomorrow. Tomorrow is the next day.
The next day.
Yes.
Okay, this is okay.
Number 5. She said, this is the, I think, little bit difficult. Again, 90% student wala question, which they forget. ये कौन सी फॉर्म है बेटा? क्या रूल होता है सेकंड फॉर्म का? Had plus? So your answer is? Yesterday? Okay, correct. Write down, please. Bani, what is your answer? Bani, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
She said that.
Ma'am, she had received money the last day.
Yes, beta. Correct. The previous day, the last day, both are correct. Next
Ma'am, I
question.
also wanted to say that your voice is cracking.
Yes, beta, here it is written your network is unstable. That's why. So maybe it will be fine, beta, in just 2-3 minutes. I hope. My mother said to me, am I audible? I don't think so. Harshia, unmute. I hope it now I'm audible. So let's start. My mother said to me, I was preparing dinner for you. Again, this is 90% student question. Not like that. Only raise your hands. Only raise your hands. Only 2 students? 3, 4, 5. Sanket. Well done. My mother told me that my mother told me that she was were changes to Suhana, unmute please.
Yes, ma'am.
I will complete the sentence. My mother told me that
She had been preparing dinner for me.
yes, Papa. Suhana, keep yourself unmuted and let me know better when my voice is not audible. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
90% वाले 2 ही है बस. 2 rules और 2 ही sentence थे. 90%. And these rules are my favorite. In tests and in exams, I try my best कि ये मैं rules डाला करूँ. These are my favorite one. Okay, number 7. He says he is so much confident that he knows that कि मेरे को आता ही होगा ये answer पक्का. He says, I have seen him somewhere. I have seen him somewhere. Yes, beta. Beta, he is singular. उसके साथ have आएगा या has have same रहते हैं. You have to just interchange them. Yes. Now says is written outside. No change in the tense. Has. Literature only. The teacher said, Suhana, are you speaking something? Suhana. Yes, Suhana? Beta, they have fixed the network problem. I hope now I'm audible. So, Suhana, now I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Now silence should be there, please. The teacher said, boss, please. The teacher said hard work is the key to success. Give me slow answers so that I can ask online students. किसकी टर्न नहीं आई? Why we haven't changed ism or to was were? Okay. Harjeet, what is your answer? Harjeet.
The teacher said that hardware is the key to success.
Same from here also same. Only you have to write that. The teacher said that ये सैनिटाइजर को आप जो ब्रीथ कर रहे हो ना अंदर, ये आपके सीधा लंग्स में जाना है. Hard work is the key to success. This is the universal truth and it will remain same. Now number 9. Only 10 are there. 2 more sentences. The boy said, please note down 9th one. The boy said, I will be sitting with you at 6 p.m. tomorrow. The boy said, I will be sitting with you at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Only raise hand like mannerful students. Yes, last. Yes, beta. You will remain same. Yes, it's okay. At 6 p.m. Well done. No need me or you, it will remain. Harshia, what is your answer?
The boy said that
The boy
he
said
will-
that he would be sitting with me at 6 p.m. the next day.
Okay, fine.
Excuse me, मैम मैंने एक और चीज पूछनी थी.
Now, beta, yes, Harsha, just give me 1 minute. Now, beta, you. No listener is here. कोई भी listener नहीं है, तो you can just keep this thing same. You can simply write you or you can write me also. Both are correct. Yes, Harsha, what is your question?
मैम यस मैम, जो 7th वाला था ना उसमें मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी बिल्कुल. तो मैम आपने वो हैज वाला जो समझाया वो क्या था कि मतलब अगर
Beta,
सेज
has,
होगा
have,
तो
yes. Says is written outside. Inside has or have is given. They will remain same. Have with plural and has with singular. Okay.
ओके मैम.
Last sentence. Okay, साथ में. हाँ, make sure आपको आता हो. Last sentence. Yes, Satvik. बैठ जाओ, मुझे हैंड रेज दिखते हैं. प्लीज सिट डाउन. मालिक सिट डाउन. सिट डाउन फर्स्ट. Whenever you see the word had inside, it will remain same. There will be no change at all. Who will give me answer? Bhavesh. Bhavesh, if you can hear me, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Your answer?
Ma'am, yes.
Your answer, beta? He said to me, I had.
मैम क्यों वॉइस कट रही है और he told me that I had been watching for you since 2 o'clock.
बेटा आपने प्रोनाउंस भी चेंज किए. आई कौन है? आई कौन है बेटा? Who's I?
He.
Yes. And you कौन है? Listener. Who's listening? Me. So
Me.
he had been waiting for me since 2 o'clock. It's okay बेटा. घर पे बैठ के बोर्ड देख रहे हैं ना, इसलिए प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Now these were the 10 sentences. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, but maintain silence in the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So full marks in narration always? Sure? Now online students, Prerna and Bhavya, both of you please ask your question. Satvik?
यस मैम, मैंने ना आपसे पूछना था
Yes बेटा.
कि ना आपने एक बार मैसेज भेजा था ग्रुप में कि डिलीटेड टॉपिक जो है PT1 के वो है चैप्टर लाइफ विद अंकल कैन और द लिटिल गर्ल. तो मैम ये दोनों डिलीटेड है, मींस मैम वो रिलेटेड मॉ फॉर व्हेन आई वाज चाइल्ड आएंगे PT1 में से?
नहीं बेटा, मेरे पास सारे पूरा डिलीटेड सिलेबस नोटेड डाउन था, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेंट इट. सिर्फ PT3 और PT4 की लिटरेचर आएगी ओनली. PT3 and 4. ओके
ओके मैम.
वेल डन, नीट वर्क.
मैम आना इस बार सिलेबस PT3 और PT4 का ही है ना अकेला?
Okay, listen to me very carefully now. Literature of PT3 and 4. Literature of PT3 and 4 will come except the chapters which have been deleted. And second is grammar and writing skill from April to March. Sari grammar writing skill. Again, deleted topics will not come. Literature PT1 और 2 की कभी भी नहीं आती. We people, I think you people are here since I think so long. First class से आप स्कूल में हो, so you should know this thing that literature of PT3 and 4 will come.
मैम जो वॉइस है मैम वो PT3 वाली आनी है और PT4 वाली नहीं आनी?
PT4 वाली नहीं आएगी. माने?
ओके मैम.
Anyone? Any other doubt? Tomorrow we'll be doing paragraph writing. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You have just 30 seconds. Yes, Harshia. Okay, Harshia is showing thumbs up. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, beta. So I'll meet you tomorrow and we'll be doing paragraph writing tomorrow. Okay? Take care.